Hey guys, I am CJestrada and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be I post travel vlogs sa orang panahon katong before ECQ. Wag niya kung linyar no, intro no. And right now, tungkol sa ECQ, I've been posting sit-down vlogs related to different topics and software engineering videos. So today's video is gonna be another entry of my software engineering series. So I still don't have a title to this series, but I hope you can make a suggestion and comment down below. So hopefully this video is gonna be another video of learning and another video of I don't know. Also, I'm gonna try to speak English right now because people are asking me to speak in a different language because they cannot understand. They cannot understand Bisaya, and they appreciate if I could speak that they could, understand. I can reach a wider audience. So, to prepare for that, tawag na ako. Bisaya, to prepare for that, I need to drink coffee so that I could have my English tongue ready. Kape, pati initang. Okay, but before that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. In today's video, we're gonna talk about tips to survive a software engineering job. So I know a lot of you have been inspiring to become a software engineer, and I've posted different videos of my day in the life as an engineer and what makes this job inspiring and what makes this job frustrating. And right now, I'm gonna be giving you tips to survive this challenging job. So hope you guys learn, and I hope you guys can relate for those nga like software engineer karon. Alright, so tip number 1, be open-minded. Kana lang yun, be open-minded. Dili na siya, wala na, abi ko bang mag-English ko ron. This is not the one that you be open-minded to criticisms and be open to learnings. So don't be afraid, wag kayong magalit pag sasabihan kayo ng Tagalog na ayaw makasuko or ayaw panlood kung ingnan mo ayaw or no, if your change or if the things that you're doing will make or will cause trouble. So yeah, just be open-minded and be open-minded to changes because based from my previous video, there will be a lot of changes, especially with the nature of the job. So yeah, be open-minded, but this is not the one nga kanang networking nga kape tayo. Lahi na siya. Lahi na siya open-minded, pero yeah, just be open-minded to any criticisms and lower your pride kay it's not gonna make you far in this job, and I think that's gonna burn you out in this job, honestly. Wow, ka-serious ko ato good. Copy na said. Next tip for me is be honest. If you can't do the task that is assigned to you, be honest if you are having a hard time doing the job. Be honest if you can't achieve a deadline, because that will help your leaders or your project managers to plan out and to mitigate things to deliver the project or to make the job completed. Be honest, you're being frustrated and you're like devastated because you can't do a thing, you can't solve a problem, and then you don't know how to do. You don't know how to implement the task because of your knowledge restrictions or you still don't know how to do it, like code wise or syntax wise, or because you're new or because you have never experienced this project before. So be honest to your project leaders, and so that they can honest na ka. Don't be afraid nga kanang dili na lang ko mustorya kay kanang basig masuko niya si TL, basig masuko niya si manager nya kuan, maski kanang mayabo na ang project padung, so di ba mas worse na noon if like nag-deadline na unya wala pa di ka nahuman sa gibuhat. So mao na nga as much as possible gyud be honest gyud nga kanang bitong ingon ka nga uy TL ka nang hapit ng deadline ako unya wala pa ko kahuman sa akong project, pwede ko mapatabangan og lain or something na unya. Don't be afraid to ask help kay in times nga maglisod na ka o finish a project because of pressure and because of technical difficulties, so asking help will give you some advice and clues on how to proceed and how to continue and how to finish the project. And ayaw kaulaw, don't be shy to ask kay it will affect you as a software engineer. Like if dako ka siyang impact if dili mahuman ang project niya, ang worst ana is ma-replan ang deliver sa project. So tendency mga mawala ang client, ang company, or ma-unsatisfactory ang rating sa inyong project o sa inyong team tungod ana. So mo na as much as possible, as early as like few days before the deadline of a project, or as early as like naglisod jud guys sa pag-implement, raise the flag and let your leaders know so that they can set a plan and they can help you. That's one really helpful tip to survive this job. Be honest lang yun. And then my next tip for you is to drink coffee because it will help you generate ideas. Good. Software engineers are like people who converts coffee to code. Wow. Pero bitaw, kape bitaw. Mut nga na bitaw, dahang kape sa mga kuwan yun, software engineer mo nang sa mga opisina kalibre kitang kape kay may kinahanglan na mo para mo gana mo utok brand. So ako ang next tip is to fail fast and learn fast. So as I've said, don't be afraid to make mistakes and commit mistakes because mistakes are the best teachers in life, especially in programming or in software engineering job. So if you commit a mistake and it resulted to a bug or a defect from the system or sa inyo sa project, that's okay. Wow, that's totally fine. You have your comrades or you have your teammates to help you to fix that. And the important thing is that you will have to learn something from that mistake. So as much as possible, learn fast. Di sa ingon nga nang pirmi ka masayo pa, pero as much as possible if kanang kuan ka fail good and then ayog kaguol, don't be frustrated or don't be disappointed or don't be depressed that you failed, because from that you will learn something that will be very beneficial for your job. And then make sure lang po jud nga you don't commit the same mistakes over and over again, because that's something else. That's like ignorance, dili pa siguro sa term na, I don't know what's the term for that, but that's something else. That there's probably a problem that needs to be changed, or there's something to be improved in the process. That's why you'll be committing the same mistakes over and over again. I mean, learn something out from it and then use it in your everyday life, and apply it to your job in the future or like in everyday. For example, na ako'y na-miss nga process unya kuan kasab-an ko kay kanang nganong imo man nakalimtan nga naamtan ni sa document, or nganong imo man nakalimtan mo na to issue ni noon. So ayaw ka guol kasab-an ka, that's normal, that's part of the job. And make sure nga you learn something from it, and then you take note of it para di ka kalimot. Kuan myself, I keep a notes na notebook para di ko kalimot sa akong mga gipang buhat. And then nasag ko ka ng online nga notes para nakoy documentation sa akong mga changes in the future. Nambit ako ka ng mabutangan nga pwede na ako mabalikan in the future. Wow, balikan yun, no? Oo, may pa siya balikan na ako ko baliki. Hugot lagi na yun, diba? So kana namang ko yuban ko nga mo ingon nga mahal ko masayop kay kasabaan ko niya kuan di uban kasabaan. So naji uban gyud nga inana gyud nga tawo na, then I cannot blame them because that's their personality. For me, if kana jud ka mo lambo wexel ani nga job, no, be a risk taker and don't be afraid to fail and learn every day. Oy, napati ko last tip day, be happy day and then make the most out of it. Make the most out of it. Wow. Kuan ganang participate sa kanang mga non-work related nga activities sa inyong company kay mo gud na makapahatag og life within the walls of your office. Wow, diba? And then actually it depends sa company kay mag-organize ba sila og mga events or mga activities nga non-work nga makapa-unwind sa mga employees. Pero as much as possible, if your company does that, participate and don't be shy to join, because that will really help you, not only to yourself but to your teammates as well, and then you can also make friends that will be helpful in the future. So real life experience, I am one of the like organizers gyud sa kanang mga events sa mong office, and then I get to interact with different people from different departments and different like different corners of our office, and I'll tell you, it's very helpful in the future. Like if I have something to ask in their department, I know someone who to ask. And not to say nga you make friends kay imong gamiton in the future, pero it, you know, it's like you're establishing network, because you're in a corporate world and network is very important yun. Not only within like the same company, but in the near future, I'll tell you, networks are very helpful yun, di ba? Yeah, I hope you watch this video till the end. Kay kapag kong English kaning video ha, pero laban lang taan eh. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment down below your thoughts, and if you can agree sa ako mga gipangingon karon, or you have some suggestions if what I'm gonna share to you about software engineering. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, turn that notification bell, and share. Peace and love.